say post pandemic, the offices are opening, the first thing is blended technology. Blended technology comes to our mind when I say, let's take an example. You have a staff of 20 persons in your office. You have 20 employees to your office. Now you can start saying blend of work from home and actual coming to the office. When a blend of home and work from home and to the office and to the clients and to the department, Baljinder ji, hi, you totally have to accept one sincere aspect here also now. That is acceptance to work from home and office together. My staff sincerely asked me, sir, can I save my commutation time tomorrow and work from home and give you the much more greater output rather than coming to the office and going back, spending 2 hours in the commutation and money? Sir, can I go to the client virtually? Yes, everything can happen virtually now. So the first thing we need to, good evening Arpit ji, we need to accept is blended working. The second most important aspect post pandemic, the offices are opening. We have to understand the opportunities. Let me start the opportunities of a budding chartered accountant, a new chartered accountant who come into practice, or a chartered accountant who is in practice since 20 years. Both have to accept one sincere thing, faceless technologies. फेसलेस वे ऑफ वर्किंग. जैसे कि इनकम टैक्स में फेसलेस ई असेसमेंट हो गया, वैसे ही बहुत सारी जगहों पे फेसलेस वर्किंग टेक्नोलॉजी भी इंकॉर्पोरेट हो गई. फेसलेस वर्किंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ पीपल स्टार्ट आस्किंग मी, क्या हमारे पास कोई अपॉर्चुनिटीज नई आई है या हमारी कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी चली गई, जैसे कि जीएसटी ऑडिट हमारे पास 99 की अभी हमारे पास सिग्नेटरी नहीं है. Let me tell you the second aspect. Firstly, I discussed about certainly about technology. Now coming to the second aspect. The second aspect is about we need to understand the emerging fields. The emerging fields. Sir, as Chopra sir also communicated in the starting that there are certain industries which are declining. There are certain industries which are increasing at a very sharper pace. Post pandemic, many industries shut down and many industries came up like anything. Let us take an example. The food sector, the hospitality sector, the hotel industry, the tourism sector declined with a sharp pace. However, e-commerce websites, e-convenience websites, many facility websites, grocery websites, all of these sector came up like anything. As also discussed, now people have become conscious of not traveling through public transport because they might have a transmission chances. People want to prefer their own conveyance, shared conveyance with their close ones. The automobile sector had a deep dive and then it's a deep increase with this pandemic becoming now at a declining stage. Third, when I say you have to firstly focus on technology, secondly, you have to identify the areas of opportunities. Third, the major aspect, preparation of your infrastructure according to the opportunities. Now, I'm not talking about technology, I'm talking about human resources. The technology itself cannot do everything. I know we have artificial intelligence into picture, but no technology can be driven without the proper human resources. The third major aspect that comes to my mind is about human resource. An appropriate infrastructure of human resource can give you a boost to your offices. How it can boost? Understand one aspect now. You don't have to now actually be present physically everywhere. But yes, you have to be present at your convenience, but with the presence of proper human resources. How? Let us take an example. I'm a partner to a CA firm, example, or I'm a director to a company. I cannot be present now. I cannot have my secretary everywhere around me. I cannot have board meetings. Yes, but I can now, on a switch of a button, on a click of a application, I can start attending the board meetings. Your involvement of human resource have increased. Accept one fact today. Soon the offices have opened post pandemic. The level of intervention, the level of your presence have increased. Having a proper human resource will cater to that thing now. Now your staff expects you to see you daily online. Earlier, what you used to see in offices, the bosses are coming late, the timings were fixed, everything. Now, 24 into 7 presence in front of staff is a proper availability. How? Staff now thinks that we are available on technological aspects. If sir is not there physically, let us communicate him with Zoom app or some another communication app. How can they be connected? They have to be connected every time now.
Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional in making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.